Hey, this is just a short guide on how to pair your Beeline Velo with your Android smartphone. Let's put the Beeline to the side and just go through a couple of things on the phone first. So today we're using a Samsung Galaxy S9, but you should find the experience to be very similar on any modern Android smartphone. Now, the first thing to do is to download the Beeline app from the Google Play Store, and also you're going to want to make sure your Bluetooth is turned on. Something else we recommend is that you make sure your phone is updated to the latest available operating system version, and also that you make sure any battery saving or power optimization modes are turned off, as this can cause problems with the pairing process, but also with connection whilst you're riding. So let's get into it and pair the Beeline. Now I've got mine here and I've unlocked it with the top button so that it's showing these two cycling screens. And it gives you a little number that you can see that's unique to each device. 09B7 is this one. So that's what we'll look for when we're pairing it in the app. So if we open our app up, you can tap on this top button here and it will search for nearby devices. Now we're in the Beeline office here, so there are a great deal of Beelines here, but I'm sure you'll only have one in your list. So it's just this one here, so we tap that and it will pair up with the Beeline. Now when it works, you'll see the device will say hello, and that's when you know it's worked properly. And that's it, we're paired and ready to go. And it will then ask you if you want to connect with Strava, if that's something you're interested in. And if not, you just hit not now. And then you're ready to go. And the device might need to do a firmware update as part of that pairing process. Just give it a couple of minutes and it will update the device to the latest software version that's available. If you have any further questions or problems, just head to the beeline.co website, where you'll find lots of helpful support documents and other information.